In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom color palette in Tableau. This process will only take about 5 minutes, and it will enhance your data visualizations significantly. Whether you are diving into data analytics or just setting your Tableau environment to meet your personal or corporate needs, mastering custom color palettes gives you that extra edge. To kick things off, you'll need to navigate to the My Tableau repository folder on your computer. For most users, you'll find this folder nestled comfortably in your Documents folder. This repository is where Tableau stores various files and settings. So it's your central hub for making customization tweaks. Once you've located this folder, look for a file named preferences.tps. This file is the secret key to customizing your Tableau experience. By opening it in a text editor, such as Notepad on Windows or TextEdit on a Mac, you'll be able to modify its contents. If this is the first time you're adding custom color palettes, you'll likely only see a single tag in there. The next step is to add tags within the existing tags. Doing this signals to Tableau that you're implementing custom settings. This part is crucial, as it sets the stage for you to insert your color preferences. Now, it's time to consider the actual colors you want in your palette. You'll need the hexadecimal codes for these colors. These are typically 6-character codes preceded by a hashtag, like #FF5733, representing specific shades. With your colors in mind, insert the appropriate XML code for your color palette between the tags. Essentially, you will be mapping out how each color integrates into Tableau. If you're not sure about the XML structure, there are many online resources and examples to guide you through crafting this code. Once you've entered your custom palette, save the Preferences TPS file. Saving is key to ensure that your changes take effect. After this, you may need to close Tableau Desktop and reopen it. This reset allows Tableau to load the new preferences, including your custom colors. With Tableau relaunched, open a worksheet and drag a dimension or measure to the color shelf. This will apply a default color palette to your data visualization initially, but you'll be changing that soon. Click on the color legend in your worksheet and select Edit Colors. Then, from the Palette drop-down menu, scroll down to locate your custom color palette, which should now appear at the bottom of the list. Select your palette and click Assign Palette to make the change. That's it. You've successfully added a custom color palette to Tableau, enhancing your visualizations with a personal touch. This both aligns your data visualizations with your brand's color scheme and allows for more engaging presentations. Keep exploring and enjoy your new colorful world in Tableau.